My name is Ken Natoli. I'm the Director of Delivery Technology at Domino's Pizza. Really what that means is I'm responsible for anything, all the technology and innovation that goes into getting a pizza from our store to your house or apartment. Thanks, Paul, for having me up here. I joke that Ann Arbor really hasn't been able to figure out how to maintain their roads, but they have been able to figure out how to foster a great tech community here. And I think that's a testament to a lot of the work that Paul and the Spark team have done. So thanks again. All right. Who's had a Domino's pizza before? Show of hands. I figured, right? So but before I get started and before you ask, I don't have any free pizza coupons, so don't ask. But lots on our website. All right. Who knows where Domino's Pizza is headquartered? Ann Arbor. Not a lot of people know that. That's right. Started in Ypsilanti, 1960 by Tom Monahan. Grown to over 15,000 stores since then worldwide. About $12 billion in revenue last year. Just over 1,000 employees, 50% of which are in IT. Pretty interesting that we leverage that much on the technology side. Our busiest day of the year is New Year's Eve, for those that didn't know that. And our digital sales are right about 65%, which is really interesting and pretty cool that we're able to take that many orders through our digital platforms, and the rest coming through our more traditional walk-in customers or phone calls. All right, so who can help me name 3 top e-commerce sites? Where's that's the obvious one, yep, Amazon. Another one? Nope, waiting. Heard it, Apple, that's right. And then the last one? Domino's. Which I guess is the reason why I'm here, right? So, yeah, Domino's. Yeah, so pretty cool that we're able to be among the top e-commerce sites along with Apple and Amazon. So, what I wanted to talk about today was innovation and how that's a big part of Domino's. A couple examples here. Our conversational commerce platform, so your Google Home, your Facebook Messenger, those are our new ways of ordering. And also autonomous vehicle testing. So who knew that we were testing autonomous vehicles here in Ann Arbor? So good. Oh, that's great. And really, if I take a step back, really what we're doing here is we're identifying pain points throughout the business and then driving efficiencies around those pain points for both our business and for our customers, ultimately. And that just really improves our business, improves our financials, our operations, and has led to a lot of success. To take a deep dive on one example, which you're probably familiar with, Anywhere platform. That's our conversational commerce platform using natural language processing. Alexa, Slack, Facebook Messenger. The way that we approached this area was a customer-centric approach, and that was really listening to our customers. What do they want? What are they asking for? What makes their lives easier? And then feeding that back down to our development teams. And what that's done is allowed us to build things and build the right technology early, get that into production, get fast feedback, look at the data. One of the things that Domino's concentrates a lot on is the data, and that's missed usually by a lot of companies. And then we iterate on that until it works, right? So, and it either works or it fails, and that's okay too. But that to us is success, and innovation is kind of the way that we look at it to make sure that we figure out what's going to be successful. And this has really changed a lot of the way that we think about our project teams. We go about our project teams with this sort of mantra, and Domino's was traditionally, we thought of ourselves as a pizza company that happens to use technology, and that really we kind of flipped that around, and you may have heard our CEO talk about us as a technology company that happens to sell pizza. So very, very cool, and that's the way that we think about our products. That's the way that our teams think about the way that we work. To drive efficiencies, to drive value for the business, and ultimately stay ahead of the competition. So I wanted to just mention that since we're new to Tech Track, we're on the north side, but we're going to be downtown. We're actually going to have our autonomous vehicle over on Mobility Row. So come check it out. You can experience what it's like to receive your order from an autonomous vehicle. jobs.dominos.com. We're always hiring, so got to put a plug in for that. I'll be around afterwards and over at Mobility Row to answer any questions. But enjoy the event. Thanks again.